Hi friends, today let's discuss how to map the SkyDrive in your Windows 8 operating system computer so that you can directly drag and drop the files and folders into the shared drive and synchronize with your SkyDrive account. The best advantage of this particular feature is that you need not install the SkyDrive client console in your computer, and you can just map it as a normal shared drive that you do in your local network. Right, now let's try to explore the options here. Now initially I'm trying to log into my SkyDrive. Once I log into my SkyDrive, I'll have to check if there are any folders or files located. And I could see that there is only one folder that is created. When I created the SkyDrive, I had a few default folders that came up. I just cleared those folders and created a unique folder and named that as my SkyDrive. Now in order to get the link to map the shared drive, all I need to do is I'll go to Microsoft Word. In fact, you can go to any of the Microsoft Office products, but here let's go to Microsoft Word here. So once you go to Word, click on File and go to Save and Send, and click on Save to Web. Once you click on Save to Web, it will prompt you to sign into your Microsoft account. So I'm trying to log into my SkyDrive account using my live credentials. Initially friends, you might have some lagging, or the system might hang because when it's trying to communicate with the server for the first time, you will have a slow response trouble here. So I could see that my SkyDrive is located here. So all I need to do is, as I'm accessing this for the second time, I got Save As option here. I'm clicking on Save As so that it will open Windows Microsoft Word document. So let me go to File. See again, as this particular application, as this is trying to communicate with the Microsoft server, we could see that there is a lag here, and we could see the Microsoft Word not responding error coming up. So let's give it some time, and I would suggest you not to go to the task manager and kill the application. And once we go to Save As, this is the link that we need in order to map the shared drive. So all we need to do is copy this link and click on cancel and minimize everything and go to my computer. I've just pressed Windows plus E, which bring up the my computer window, and click on map network drive, and we can choose the drive letter of our choice. As this is a SkyDrive, I'll go with S here, and I've copied and pasted the link to map the SkyDrive, and I need to click on finish. Here it might prompt you, in fact it will prompt you to log in with your live credentials. As I've already provided my credentials, it may not prompt me again, and I could see that my antivirus has detected new drive, and it gave a pop-up here, and I could see that my SkyDrive is mapped here. Now let's try checking. This is located as my SkyDrive, and let's go into my SkyDrive shared drive, and try to create a file here. Initially I could see that when I click on my SkyDrive folder in the online console, I could see that there are no files created. Now let's try creating a notepad file. Once I create a test file, let me go back and check in the online console, and here I could see the test file is created here. And here as well, let me create a Excel workbook and name that as book 1, and click on create. And let me type some 12 and go to file and go to Save As and save this Excel file. Let's check if this is generated in the shared drive. Wonderful, and we could see that the book one is created in the shared drive as well. In this way we can just synchronize files and folders between the the online console and the shared drive. And the best part of this is we need not install the client version of the SkyDrive in the computer. Hope this video is of some use to you, and thank you so much for choosing IT Masters. Have a great day.